In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the character limit issue encountered in ElevenLabs. This guide will provide you with practical steps to ensure your text fits within the allowed limits, allowing you to generate your content without interruptions. Begin by checking the length of your text. If it exceeds the character limit, ElevenLabs will automatically halt the process. To avoid this, it is essential to understand how to manage the length of your script effectively. You can use a character counter tool to determine the precise number of characters in your text before proceeding. Next, if your text is too long, the best approach is to split it into smaller parts. This involves cutting your script into manageable sections. For instance, you might create part 1, part 2, and part 3, ensuring that each part is shorter than the previous one. This strategy helps in maintaining clarity and coherence while staying within the character limits. After dividing your text, you will generate each part individually. Start by pasting part 1 into the designated input area in ElevenLabs. Once you have done this, click on the Generate button. After the generation process for part 1 is complete, move on to part 2. Repeat this action by pasting part 2 and clicking Generate again. Continue this process until all parts have been generated. For those dealing with particularly long scripts, using the Studio feature can be advantageous. Navigate to the Studio or Project section of ElevenLabs. Here, you can paste your entire script in the provided area. This method allows you to generate your content chapter by chapter, making it easier to manage lengthy text without hitting character limits. If you still encounter character limits after following these steps, consider deleting any unnecessary extra spaces or emojis from your text. Additionally, if your needs exceed the available character limits on your current plan, upgrading to a higher tier may provide the solution you require for generating longer scripts.